Alrighty, we are going to make a resin tarantula with Dollar Tree resin. I'm going to bind up my tarantula mold first. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the resin. We're using Dollar Tree plus resin. We're going to add part A into a cup, part B, and then we're going to mix the two together. Give it a good stir, getting the sides and the bottom. Then we're going to add some pigmentation to it. I'm using charcoal or coal. That's cool. Wow. And then I'm going to add some vent extensions so that the resin can rise above the level of the mold. And then we're going to inject the resin. And now we add a little funnel and some more in the reservoir. I'm going to put it in the pressure tank. We're going to pump this puppy up to 40 psi and leave it overnight. Got to get a good seal and pump it up. 40 psi. Okay, we're ready to demold this puppy. Going to take all the sprues off, and we're going to pull out the funnel and take off the rubber bands, and looky there. Oh yes. Ooh. Alrighty, so this tarantula has long nails. We're gonna take off some of the flashing. There's a little bit of flash on there. We'll just pull it off real easily, and then we're gonna cut off the sprues at the end of the legs, and a little bit more flashing. And this baby is complete, ready for going into the skull mold. Like and subscribe to watch it go into the skull mold.